A VPN, virtual private network, is a technology that creates a secure, encrypted connection over the internet between your device and another network, such as a remote server. It allows you to send and receive data securely, even on unsecured networks like public Wi-Fi. Essentially, a VPN acts as a tunnel that shields your internet traffic from outsiders, ensuring that your online activities remain private. How VPN works. 1. Encryption. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, meaning it is converted into a format that is unreadable without the correct decryption key. This helps protect sensitive data from hackers, especially when you're using public networks, e.g., coffee shops, airports. 2. Tunneling. A VPN establishes a tunnel between your device and the VPN server. This tunnel prevents anyone from snooping on your data while it's being transmitted. 3. IP masking. The VPN masks your real IP address and assigns you a new one from the VPN server. This can make it seem as though you are accessing the internet from a different location, providing an additional layer of anonymity. Benefits of using a VPN. 1. Privacy and anonymity. By masking your real IP address, a VPN allows you to browse the internet more privately. It prevents websites, advertisers, and even your internet service provider, ISP, from tracking your online activity. 2. Security. VPNs protect your data by encrypting your internet connection, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks, reducing the risk of data interception by hackers. 3. Bypass geo-restrictions. Many streaming services, websites, or content are restricted to certain geographic regions. With a VPN, you can connect to a server in a different location and access content as if you are browsing from that region, allowing you to bypass geographical restrictions. 4. Safe online transactions. When accessing online banking or making purchases, a VPN ensures that your sensitive financial information is transmitted securely. 5. Avoid throttling. Some ISPs may slow down your connection when streaming or gaming. A VPN can help you avoid this by masking your activity from the ISP. Types of VPNs. 1. Remote Access VPN. This type allows individual users to connect to a remote network, like a company network, securely over the internet. It's typically used by employees to access their company's internal network from anywhere. 2. Site-to-site VPN. Used by organizations with multiple offices, this connects entire networks, e.g., the network of one branch office to another branch office, over the internet, making remote offices function as if they're on the same local network. 3. PPTP, Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, an older and less secure VPN protocol, though fast, it's not recommended for secure browsing. 4. L2TP, Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, more secure than PPTP but still not as robust as some modern protocols. Often combined with IPsec, Internet Protocol Security, for encryption. 5. OpenVPN, a highly secure, open-source protocol. It's widely regarded as one of the most reliable VPN protocols, offering a high level of security and customizable configurations. 6. WireGuard, a newer VPN protocol that's fast, secure, and lightweight. It's becoming increasingly popular as it's easier to implement and requires less computing power than some older protocols. VPN protocols. 1. IKEV2, Internet Key Exchange vs. 2, a modern and secure protocol, often used on mobile devices due to its speed and ability to reconnect quickly if the internet connection is temporarily lost. 2. SSL, TLS VPN, uses a standard web browser for secure access to the remote network. Often used for secure website logins. 3. MPLS, Multi-Protocol Label Switching, primarily used in large-scale business VPNs for routing data efficiently over private networks.